Hello, welcome. Let's make some butter cookies today.
Welcome to Papa's Cookies.
Okay, these are the ingredients required for butter cookies. Take 1 kg of butter. Beat it nicely with a blender. Nalla butter beat panango. Beat butter nicely until it turns pale. Take 500 grams of icing sugar. Add gradually and mix. Konjama icing sugar சேர்த்து mix பண்ணுங்க. Take 1 kg of plain flour. 1 kilo Maida மாவு எடுத்துன்னு அது கூட mix பண்ணுங்க. Add gradually and mix. Mix, 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 mix. Now add a pinch of salt. 1 ಚಿಟಿಕೆ ಉಪ್ಪು ಸೇರ್ಕணும். Take 250 grams of corn flour. 250 grams chola mavu. Kalakin. Kai vechi chapati mav mani kalakingo. Knead it with your hand to make a dough. Now you have to roll it out on a baking paper. One baking paper le idu mav etinu techingo. Now line the baking tray with the baking paper. Cut it in any shape you want. I used a cookie cutter and fork. என்ன மாதிரி shape வேணும் கட் பண்ணுங்க. Pierce the cookies with a fork. I made these lovely, beautiful finger-shaped shortbreads as well. Now carefully arrange them all in the tray. While you're preparing this, tell your parent to preheat the oven and get it ready. Bake these cookies at 180 degrees for 25 minutes. After you take it out, let it cool for 10 minutes. Be careful, it's hot! 25 minutes bake பண்ணிட்டு வெளிய எடுத்துட்டு cool பண்ணுங்க. Now look who's here, my supervisor/sister, to see if it's correct. She even got to eat the first one. Now our super simple homemade butter cookies are ready. You don't need to go to the shop for this. வீட்டிலே easier butter cookies செய்யலாம். Hope you all enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching Papa's Cooking. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.